The governor of Meru, despite previous impeachment processes and warnings from the Senate, persistent in discreditable acts and singularly and correctively amount to 1, gross violation of the Constitution, 2, gross violation of the various national and county laws, and 3, abuse of office. Number 8, the discreditable acts have exposed the office of the governor, the office of the deputy governor, the assembly and its leadership, and the people of Meru to national shame, scandal, embarrassment, ridicule, and disgrace. Number 9, public petitions have been presented to the county assembly, including petition number 5 of 2023, brought by 1,611 members of the public, and statements have been sought by members of the county assembly on the various gross violations and instance of abuse of office by the governor, and recommendations made by the county assembly on the various gross violations. 10, there have been several reconciliation efforts, but none has borne fruit. 11, the governor's continued stay in office has persistently undermined effective and efficient service delivery and gravely hurt the interest of the people of the county. Honorable Speaker, the Assembly therefore resolves to impeach the governor of Meru under the Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33 of the County Government Act,